research on the connection between disease risk and exercise. Our goal is to better understand how exercise reduces the risk of disease and how genes and how genes influence the response that we have in exercise. So now let's just start with a generalized overview right now. Cardiorespiratory fitness and risk of disease are inversely proportional, which means the more active we are, the less likely we are to have cardiovascular diseases. And understanding this link just like really encapsulates the power that exercise has on preventing this disease. So not everyone has the same response to exercise, and this is due to two things: environmental factors and genetics, with it being 50% genetics and 50% environmental factors. Now, this brings us to the concept of gene by environment interaction, where external factors come together with our own genes and provides a response to something. Now, this opens doors to personalized medicine, not just in exercise, but in any field. But in terms of this allows us to maximize the benefits out of an individual. Now, the goal of our laboratory is to find the genes that respond to anything. So, in terms of exercise, we exercise mice, inbred mice in that case. And the reason they're inbred is so that we can factor out the environmental factors and just focus on genetic differences, because theoretically they all should be the same.
We have about 40 seconds left.
So by studying the response of these mice, we can pinpoint the genes and then we can transfer that to humans, because mice and humans are similar in a way. And by doing that, we can create tailored programs for humans that will help them with disease risk. And so my specific role was the day-to-day processes of taking weight, taking data, and running the mice. And this was really helpful because I also got to be involved in the tissue collection, which is the next part, which is the molecular mechanism, where we go through RNA-seq and find the genes that respond to what.
You can mention that.
Yeah, and then we find the genes that respond to what. And this was very insightful for me because I hope to be an orthopedic surgeon in the future, and I actually did get to help with terminal surgery at the end, getting to take out the gastrocnemius and the soleus, which relates to orthopedic surgery.